Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to send string communication nearly 1 kilometer distance using NRF24L01 PA LNA module with ESP8266. If you use NRF24L01 PA LNA module, it can communicate approximately 1 kilometer distance. It is based on the antenna quality, obstacle between the devices and other factors. PA means power amplifier, LNA means low noise amplifier. If I change the antenna position, it is not communicating to receiver. I don't know why it is creating the error in this type of antenna position. If anyone know the issues about this antenna position, tell me the solution. Transmitter code, receiver code both are available in description. First install the RF24 library and then install the liquid crystal library. Upload both program to respective ESP8266 module.